In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate data from one QuickBooks account to another. This task might sound a bit advanced, but with clear steps and a steady focus, you'll have your data transferred smoothly in no time. Let's dive right in by heading over to the QuickBooks website. Whether you're transitioning data to a new account or you just want to consolidate accounts, accessing the site is your first and crucial step. Make sure to log in with your credentials to access the data you need. Once you're in, direct your attention to the settings, often symbolized by a gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Settings opens a plethora of options that allow you to customize and manage your QuickBooks environment. Among these, you'll want to find the option related to exporting data. Here's where you get to tailor your migration to your specific needs. QuickBooks allows you to choose precisely what data you want to export. This is a crucial step because it determines the shape and structure of your new account's data. You might be looking to move everything from sales and customers to expenses and financial reports. Whatever it is, take your time to decide by reviewing your current account's datasets. Be thorough in this selection process to make sure you don't leave behind any critical information. After you've identified and selected the data you wish to export, it's time to initiate the actual migration process. Look for the option that reads Export to Excel. This feature is incredibly handy as Excel files are widely compatible and easy to manipulate, making them an excellent choice for such operations. Once you click Export to Excel, QuickBooks will begin compiling your selected data into an Excel spreadsheet ready for you to download. Now, a little tip to keep in mind: patience is key during this phase. Depending on the volume of your data, the exporting might take a few moments. Allow your browser some time to complete the process to avoid any data discrepancies or exporting errors. Once the export is finished, you'll have an Excel file saved to your computer containing all your necessary financial information. This file becomes your bridge, enabling you to easily transfer data into another QuickBooks account or any compatible database you need. And there you have it, the steps to effectively migrate data from one QuickBooks account to another. Remember, the key is to be organized and deliberate about what you're selecting. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to tackle your QuickBooks data migration with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful guides. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.